is basically monitoring the progress of activities. I'm happy that the last time we met, there was a demand regarding lights. Yesterday night, all the lights came on. There is an issue regarding shortage of water. I'm happy that PWD has come forward. They've expressed their willingness to release connections. But I'm sad because till today the Federation has not applied for the water connection. So they have promised to do it by Monday. So this way things are progressing. And I think we will achieve our goal. That is as far as Cutbona Jetty is concerned. Other things that came up.
As of now, no Cutbona, cleanup operations, how much work is left now?
See, as of today, I don't know. Why I do not know? Because I have not gone after Friday. The last time I went there was Friday.
Wednesday you visited.
On Wednesday, sorry, I went on Wednesday. So between Wednesday and today, I don't know what is the progress. But I was happy when we went on Wednesday. Because major things like, for example, we want the dinghies removed. So from 100 odd dinghies, there were only around 20. We wanted those vessels removed. Some vessels were removed. They come down to 20, 24 or something. So things are progressing. Having said that, credit to the Federation, credit to the owners for having cooperated and helped us to achieve our goals, or to help us to coming to achieving our goals. New jetty inauguration, no inauguration is not important. The important thing is to get everything in a working condition. So our target is that everything has to be my target is that everything that we have undertaken has to be in place before 30th September. Basically, they have to identify an engineer or an agency who will undertake that study. The study will take time. It's not going to happen overnight. Let's be very clear on that. But a study will be conducted. Because the government has invested money there. So study will definitely be conducted.
And accordingly, actions will be taken.
After the study is conducted, we'll move forward.
How much time do you see that it will take
For what?
for conducting the study?
I don't know. I cannot say anything because we are yet to appoint an agency. Agency will have to tell us how much time they require to conduct that study. Study is not going to be that you just walk on the jetty and say this. They'll have their own methods. Technology will have to be used.
No, would this take place before the inauguration?
No.
Sir, that wealthy MLA, Cruz de Silva, says that he is not being taken into confidence or he is not being invited for the meetings as far as the Cutbona process is concerned.
See, I don't remember the date, but the first time when I went to the jetty, along with the Honorable Chief Minister, Veli MLA was there, and it was decided that we would meet. On, I don't know, the first time we had a meeting. Meeting was held here. I assumed that the Veli MLA would attend because the meeting was fixed in his presence. I don't think I'm wrong if I even say that we kept a chair for him by my side. But he did not come. He came after the meeting got over, and I think some of your members of the press might have seen him also. And he spoke to you all, saying that he had a lot of people at his office, so he took time to clear those people. And that is why he reached later. I assume, I have respect for him, and let me tell you that I have got respect for, I may have reservations about the other, but as far as MLA Cruz Silva is concerned, I hold him in high esteem. But since he did not come there, I thought he was not that serious about this issue. I think I have openly announced, for example, our visit to the Jetty on Wednesday. All of you all have highlighted it on the newspaper. And I don't see anything that prevented him from coming. He could have joined us. He didn't come.
Almost 95% is cleanliness amongst the new Jetty boy. I'm clean government. Solid zala. I'm still sanitation wise government. I'm 100% sanitation kiya. Political. On this the 101% ये कतरे हुआ था वर्कर support दिला Kudpa and support on soil and मालूम काम किया because we don't want that Cutbona पर मुझे मीडिया जनागा and ये सब this hype दला and kind Cutbona issues काय नहीं चलते.
आजपासून किती झाला.
ओके जो वस्तू आम गव्हर्मेंट प्रपोज केल्ल्यो सीएम येल तेन्ना सीएम ओपन रिव्यू मिटींग जालें तेन्ना त्यो वस्तू सगळे तयार पडले आतां तुमचे सगळे डिपार्टमेंट आसले PWD जेटी सगळे सेप्टिकाचे आनी सगळे डिपार्टमेंट
टॉयलेट बीन आयले न्हू
टॉयलेट घातले तेमी आम घातले आनी आम 50 सीटर बाय द एंड ऑफ दिस मंथ रेडी करूं म्हणले प्लीज कित्याक आमकां कॉस्टिंग चड जातलें आनी मुखार आमकां जातलें वा ना जातलें तें आमकां नकळें.
पॅट्रिक बाब कॉलेरा इश्यू जायत कुडबोणा आतां सुदारप कितें जाला.
ऑन द गव्हर्मेंट सायड न्हू आमगेले हेल्थ वायज सारके जोरान लागले इतलें पयलीं आसना हेल्थाचें जोरान लागले आनी मुखार म्हाका दिसता कॉलेरा केसीस देंवचे आहा न्ही जालें जाल्यार ना म्हाका दिसता मुखार आनी दुयेंसां जावपा नाका आनी आमी एकूच डिमांड घातला हेल्थ पळय एक्टींग आहा आमकां एक रूम दिलो पसून दिलो आहा हेल्थाक एक बेड आनी डॉक्टर तुमी दवरचो 24/7 कित्याक 3000 लोक आहा म्हणजे थिंगा ती 3000 आनी ऑड लेबर आहा म्हणजे ही आख्खी विलेज अशी आहा 2-3 विलेज आहाय एक विलेज आसा एक 1000 लोक आसतात असो 1,500 2-3 4 इमर्जन्सी जाय आनी म्हाका न्ही खबर
न्यू जेटी कितें तुमचे कडेन.
न्यू जेटी तेमचे आडबडी हाय 30,000 इनॉग्रेट करपाक आम सांगले थोडे आमगे डिमांड्स आहाय ते कवर कराय कित्याक आमकां न्यू जेटी तर आमकां इनॉग्रेट केले जाल्यार व्हडलीशी उपयोग पडपा ना म्हाका दिसता कित्याक ते बॅरियर पळय घायला न्हू थिंगा म्हाका दिसता फेल ती जेटी कित्याक हांगा वेगल व्हरो मेळना रे यूज कोणाक केलो म्हूण सांगू
मंत्री म्हणटा एज पर द सेंट्रल स्टँडर्ड्स आहाय जेटीचे ते मेंटेन करूनच ही जेटी बांदल्या सो हायजीन इश्यू मनान दवरूनच ही जेटी बांदल्या कित्याक ह्यो गाडयो डायरेक्ट भटिको व्हरप ना.
ओके ही पळय जेटी पळय जाली जाल्यार न्हू ती रोड वायडनिंगान लुगार ना दुकानां बिकानां आहाय न्ही कोणाची आमचो तर ओके जेटी सारकें ओके प्रॉब्लम ना बट आनी वीत ना रोडाक कळ्ळें न्हू आमचें लोडिंग कितें करतलें लोडिंग जेटी आहा म्हणटा लोडिंग येता थिंगा लोडिंग येता म्हणटा स्टॅग्नेशन वॉटर जातलें सगळें उदकाची सगळें वेवस्था करपा जाय क्लिनस करपाक आतां मिनिस्टर सांगलां मातशें इनॉग्रेशना पयलीं कॉन्क्रीट घालून दी कित्याक उदक वचपा जाय आतां दुकान आहाय हें आहाय हॉटेल आहाय थिंगा कंडेमिनेशन जावपा नाका शिवीन सेम इश्यू जातलो सांगता म्हाका दिस पॉयंट इनॉग्रेशन केल्लें म्हणटरी थिंगा लोडिंग कमी जातलें आनी कॉन्क्रीट जायना जाल्यार परतून कंडेमिनेशन जातलें आनी आमकां मुटकारां ब्लेम करतलें दिस शूड नॉट बी.
हेच्या उपरांत जेटी कोण मेंटेन करता तुमी कसले काय फिशरीज करतले हेजे तुमी कितें
आमी
डिस्कस केला.
दिल्ले आहा आमगे कुडबोना बोर्ड सर्विसांना आमची दिवची न्हू आनी अजून तेमकां आमकां रिप्लाय येयला ना म्हणजे आमकां आनी एक लेटर हाड म्हळ्यार तेमी प्रत्येक सोसायटीच्यान ती आमच्या सोसायटीक दितले चडशे
ते तुमकां हँड ओवर करतले ते पयलीं 5 वर्स पयलीं आलो दिसता.
हय ते
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.